How to fix Character.AI account login not working. So if you want to fix the Character.AI account login not working, then you just need to simply open the browser in which you are facing the problem. Now, once you open the browser, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the privacy and security option. Here you will have delete browsing data. Tap on it and then go with the advanced section. Under advanced, you need to go with browsing history, select the browsing history and cookies inside data, cache images and files, and tap on delete data, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Just simply go with time range at first and then choose the time range. I'll select all time and tap on delete data. Tap on delete again. And once you delete your browsing data, then your problem might be fixed. Just wait for a few seconds and after that again try to log into your account and it will fix your problem. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Character.AI account login not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.